We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At exactly 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, there were many casualties and injuries reported from the famous Times Square ball and confetti cannons exploding in Times Square. There have also been many reports of casualties across the United States from confetti poppers and cannons exploding, killing anyone within the vicinity once used. It is not known on how this originated. However, mass panic has been reported across the United States as a result of this event. This is a very life-threatening situation and should be taken seriously. All residents in the United States should listen to the following instructions. Get indoors immediately, lock all windows and doors, turn off all heating and ventilation systems. If you see any type of confetti popper or cannon, do not use them and call 911 immediately, as they will be taken to a disclosed location. You will face certain death from the explosion if these instructions are not followed in a proper manner. Please stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WNYW. We will continue to serve the New York metropolitan area. If you are not in this local area, tune to a station providing news and information for your area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New York metropolitan area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. This is an emergency action termination. The danger to the United States is over. However, massive damage and many casualties and injuries were reported from this event. It is not known on how many people died. However, a report of the number of casualties and injuries will be released in the following week. All confetti poppers, cannons, and items involving confetti were safely taken to a disclosed location. It is, however, still unknown on how this event originated. Officials are currently investigating the situation. This concludes this broadcast of the emergency alert system. Normal programming will now resume. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency.